Okay, we're going to take a look at how to help a learner create a portfolio for their career and college readiness if they are new to school or maybe they don't have one yet. You're going to ask the student to log in to their Schoology page, and up in the top right hand corner you'll see that they have their name up there. Ask them to click on the down arrow, click on Your Profile, and on the left-hand side, there's a column here underneath their picture. It says Portfolio. Click Portfolios. Ask them to click the button in the center of the page that says New Portfolio, and it's going to create a brand new portfolio. Please have your student title it College and Career Readiness. And then there's one more very important thing that you don't want them to forget. Over in the right-hand corner right here, they're going to click that so that that little circle is filled in green. That means that their portfolio is published and that PIMS will be able to, Schoology will be able to pull this portfolio for PIMS reporting so that our records are accurately reflected with the state. And that's it. Your student can start uploading portfolio items from here.